Yeah, my people, I greet you all. Now, in this Opinion TV. See, of all these things where they happen between Yorubas and Igbo, I know say we will still get people who still get conscience. You get people who still they understand the meaning of life and the meaning of brotherhood. So as today, that this clip where they see so, please watch this clip, and most important thing, please give your own thoughts. What you would think, because this guy that they talk his own mind, he in the talk of his own experience. You please give your own thoughts. We're not condemning everybody. We're not condemning all the Yorubas. We're not condemning all the Igbos. We're not condemning all the Northerners. We're not condemning everybody. There are still people who are friendly and who have conscience within them, who really believe in national integration. As he day, I beg, hear this guy out. Now Yoruba guy, hear within the talk, hear his own experience. We don't hear of others. Now only few miscreants, now them where they create all this problem. Now them where they cause all this begay way with the C4 area. So as today, please give your own thoughts. Him they right, I be him they wrong for what in the talk. I beg as you watch, comment. Now your brother, NDS Opinion TV.
Igbo. You no concern me, no concern me. Now so war they start to. Now so war they start. Igbo people. But Yoruba, watch this video and pick out the one where belongs to you. The one where not belongs to you, leave them for the people where they for. These people them be survivor. Me, now I served in Abia State. Now Abia State, me, I run my NYSC. When I did Abia State, he get this brainy guy, will be Igbo guy, will be saying, come meet me, say, bro. Now when you really serve, all this year, we make we carry and go area market. He get one place that they call area market. No vessel, make I just cut the thing, make I cut and short. You know, in order to see what this guy they talk, I feel like go area market. All this thing where we take big money buy for outside, for Lagos, for this place, these people, if you reach area market, forget that. If you are lucrative, like if you know how, if you get the money, just enter that market. We can't wait till you know expect come outside, come turn out some money. That is one part. If not be Igbo people, how industrious they are. If not be Igbo people, how people, somebody like me go they wear Gucci. How somebody like me go they wear Calvin Klein. How somebody like me go they wear nice Adidas. Because now Igbo make and they competitive. Now Igbo make and they competitive. All those things, all those people for turn to Oga, and if they produce their own, we go get the Igbo one now. 17,000. Something where they sell for 400,000. I go buy 17,000. I go put them for body. If it call and faith, now you sabi. Once I don't see bush for there, I don't get satisfied. These same Igbo people, for markets, now they make markets they competitive, even in Lagos and anywhere in Nigeria now. Because that market, where on now one sell for 10,000 naira. When we say now 4,000 you buy and you won't sell at 10,000. Igbo buy this same market 4,000. He go sell at 4,200. And this simple man, when they sell his own 4,200, he don't sell like 500 pieces. Carry the money, go market again, go buy another one. You when you want to sell your own 10,000, when you want to get 6,000, you never sell 2. Igbo man don't get the brain, sharply say, by the time he said that 5,000 pieces, by the time he reach market, another goods go down there, another design, you go still carry your design put for market. Now Igbo man make everything they competitive. This Igbo man where you see so, now they make markets, they meaningful. Because one line, you go see Igbo like 100, they sell the same markets. So if you price from this one, you go see what you want from that same line. If you don't see the design for here, you go see for that same line. Now when other tribes say they emulate that behavior. Not be say before if you see one for here, you go another before you go see another one. Then go align and love go dey in between themselves. Igbo man no get what you want for shop, but that same Igbo man go tell you say he dey. You go carry in waka, go Igbo man side. He no go even ask price. He go just carry like 4 or 5. Carry and come out. They no go even doubt their side whether they go bring them back or not. Hold on, no. Waiting at the top, they say, no, be say they condemn my tribe. Me, I be Yoruba man. But waiting make me talk this thing, they say, I come to see one video. They talk say Igbo man go suffer. Come on here. Forget that thing. Forget that thing. Igbo man no go suffer anything. Shebi shop go open. Shebi see no go close. Shebi container go the land. As far as say they go China, go buy this, container go land for Lagos. Forget that, Igbo man no go suffer. Igbo man, they no go suffer. They no go suffer. That one no be say Yoruba side no go suffer. No get me wrong, but let's get this thing into our score. We say everybody get where they good at. Make them carry their this thing, make them fight for war. Bro, Igbo man no go fight on now. If you get good business for one place, you go pray, make war, come carry and go. Say somebody wey don invest on in life for that thing, you go pray, make war happen. You go pray, make war happen so that una go destroy that thing, collect am for your hand. Try, they no dey fight anymore. Make una carry out that tribal wahala, make una carry am comot. People wey divide us, wey cause all this problem, dem get aim. They don't use us finish, they go still use us again. They get agenda. They get waiting, they get agenda, and they have achieved their aim. They have set everything on fire so that me and you go defend them. So if you go under Sanwo-Olu or Tinubu or anybody post, or you go under Obi post, once you comment negative, they go first go check your name. Now Yoruba boy, they go attack him. Even if what they talk not true. If na Igbo boy abuse Sanwo-Olu or say any negative comment from under Sanwo-Olu, they go attack him. They go defend Sanwo-Olu. Even when they say what Sanwo-Olu do no good, they go defend them because they don't see your name, Chukwu Ebuka. Their agenda don't their agenda. We fall victim. Shame on us. Shame on us. I don't talk say Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned, everybody when they diaspora, when they tell and I say, go fight for war, go protest. Tell them say make they come out. Come protest for una too. No fight any war. Protect your business. It doesn't mean say if you go filling station, they go sell that fuel for you 2 naira because you be Yoruba. They go sell them for Igbo man 200 because he be Igbo. Do your business, brother. Leave all these people alone. So Chukwu Emeka will be my friend now. Make I kick and come out from my house. When me and the suffer, when we say na Igbo house, me and they live. They manage the parents. Now when we say Igbo said now my tenants, make I go pursue them because they fight tribal war. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. We all have our own potentials. But what invest in Igbo man go suffer? They no go suffer anything. Igbo man will go serve in Oga for 20 years and dead here, lawyer, do freedom, make your own money. Very industrious people. And on our way on they fuel this war because of say content creating. On I know say as the tribal wahala they go, each one on a post on they get engagement. God will judge on that one day. Because say if the comments come, do engagement day on I go get adverts, go get money. When they say now this thing, on I know what make this thing finish, God will judge on that. Nemesis will cut on all of now. Now this war, when they abuse Obi, when they abuse Tinubu, now on they fuel that thing. What you on not supposed to post on our page? On they fuel them. On they fuel them. Just because they on they get engagement, because that is what is trending. You guys should mind what you put on your wall. The negative way Obi talk, the negative way this one talk. Now on I go they promote so that the anger. If you understand this thing, don't forget say all your family know they are abroad. All your family know on a sick girl family for there. So what I'm saying in essence is that let's peace reign. We should not be brainwashed. Igbo they live for Yoruba land. Yoruba they live for Igbo land. Igbo they live for Hausa land. Hausa they live for Igbo land. Hausa they live for Yoruba land. Yoruba they live for Hausa land. It is called Nigeria. I'm a Yoruba boy. Doesn't mean that I am stupid. If any tribe do wetin no good, let them say no good. So if all these things they go on for us, they go on for our land. So for diaspora here, so why we come to complain say Igbo man they marginalize or they do this, they do that? Shame on all of una. Shame on all of una. I am not sorry to say that. Shame on all of una than they promote all this wahala. To my Igbo brothers, on behalf of whosoever that have offended you, we are so sorry. Politics has always been like that in Nigeria. We all need to wake up and understand that fact. Don't let these people divide us. God bless.